Hi guys, Otoscope or Otoscope, I've no idea how to pronounce it. I'm going to call it Otoscope. Um, did a video showing that I bought this in a charity shop for £5 and I've been using it as a microscope and had a few comments about why don't I 3D print a mount for it. And my answer is I really want to use it moving around, poking inside things to look inside. And if I make a fixed bracket for it, you won't be able to do that. You actually want the flexibility of being able to move it around by hand. But I did think it might be handy to have something to hold it at the right focal length, because there's no adjustment on the focus. That's my Wi-Fi microscope. I don't know if it's got any power in it. Oh yeah. You can actually make the LED brighter and darker, and you can actually focus it in and out. I'm trying to remember which way round that is. That enlarges the picture, and that's the focus. Yeah, right. Okay. In fact, if I pull the top off carefully, there we go. You can actually see. Can you? Yeah, you can see that coming in and out, varying the focus. Oh, and that's the LEDs around there. This one, there's none of that. It's fixed. So it's on, and you point it at things, and you have to get the distance right for it to be in focus. So I thought, how about doing something simple? That's what we have here. It took me 3 attempts, as you can see, to get the focal length right. If we just turn on my Huawei, turn on the app, go on there, choose the right, oh, wrong one. Oh, it won't see it because it's not switched on. You have to take the cover off. That switches it on. When it's switched on, then it appears on here. I just pressed the wrong button again. Wall front. There we are, connect. Okay, we're connected. Now we've got a green thing that says we can start. Okay, we'll put that down there. I did mention to somebody, I don't know why they've done this circle screen there. The actual video it records is 620 by 480, I think it is. Basically, virtually a square. And for some reason, they got that circular mask on it for no good reason. Anyway, to get the focus right, you've got to move it in and out and then hold it still at the right distance. So what I've done there is I've made that one so that is just the right height to give me focus. So if you want to look at something small, like the writing on here, I did say that the bright light can be a bit of a pain if you've got a reflective surface, so it gets in the way. And you've got no way of turning that LED off. Still, what I'm demonstrating here is that's automatically giving me the right focal length. Now, just by putting that in there, sitting it down, I've made that the right length So that keeps it in focus for me. That's a shame that's shiny. Both sides are shiny. Anyway, thought I would show that. So very simple, just gives us the right distance to keep stuff in focus. I didn't intend it to be a stand, but being a tripod, it does actually hold it upright. Just a little bit more. I've just found that if I tilt it, so I'm just using 2 legs, I'm still getting the right focal length, and I'm not getting the reflection straight back into the lens. So yeah, that works. Yeah. So that's an alternative. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.